I follow you?
What did you think of that?
Somebody's videotaping you right now.
Who? I don't know that.
You know they have a superhero hotline.
But I'm one of these folk superheroes, so I had to advertise it this. I saved someone.
If you're broke, why is it free?
Yeah,
Because that's what superheroes do.
it doesn't help your brokenness though.
So this is this. They're
Knock off.
piece.
Knock off Batman. Knock off Batman.
Actually, Batman's his favorite superhero.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah, big time.
He thinks he's Batman.
I got a story to tell you about Batman.
I would love to hear the story.
It's not that exciting. He's gonna have to listen to it either way. So.
I feel a YouTube upload coming on here soon.
Oh no, it's not a YouTube upload.
Oh, it's a school documentary. Yeah, there we go.
It's because I'm a superhero.
The orange ones are good.
This is the difference between the orange and the blue.
Thickness. The PV Star Tags picks are good too because they have sandpaper on them. We have $1, so if I save that, you can have your or 74 cents now because tax went down.
Yep.
Sweet.
I always forget about that.
If you guys need any superheroes, this is just something.
You can take one of our cards and right here.
74 cents.
I will.
Wait for your logo in the sky.
Thank you, good Samaritan.
How many did you get, Giselle?
Thank you.
Have a go with that one.
You too.
Did you get? How many did you get?
I got 2. There you go. Alright. I think I've done my deed today.
Any last words before we stop recording?
Be nice to your friendly neighborhood superheroes.
Are we done?
Yep.
Yes?
Yep.